I realized it the hard way that nobody really cares because everyone is busy thinking other people might care about them. Everyone has their own problems to solve. And it's not just because people are just bad people or they don't really, want to know what you have to say or they don't really want to know you. It's not that because it's like that. Everyone just have their own problems. Everyone has their own way. When I was in high school, akala ko ganito yun. I would really spend almost all of the day looking for friends. Iisa-isahin ko yung bahay nila. I would go to the computer shop, titignan ko kung naglalaro sila doon. Pupunta ako ng court, titignan ko kung nagbabasketball sila. Iisa-isahin ko talaga yung bahay nila. Sometimes they don't want to hang out. Sometimes I don't understand that. Maybe it's also because I want to get validation from them. But I realized that after kong dialysis for 6 years, they can't care and they're not supposed to care. The friends you want to share stories with, you guys are gonna separate ways. You guys are gonna have things you do for yourself that's a different, probably you guys are gonna have a different job, a different course, different things to do, and you guys will separate ways, and that's just life. And they can't care. They can't be there for you and you can't be there for them, like always. Akala ko nung magkakasakit ako, I thought people would be devastated, like, oh, doon na. I thought every day may message nila ako. I thought every day magiging dyan sila para sa akin. But no, yes, there were people na nag-wish sa akin ng best, sana maging okay ako, sana maging the best ako, maging magaling na ako. Yung family ko lang na nandyan yun sa akin. That's why it was parang stinap ako ng reality na people can't be there for you. They just can't because they have to be there for themselves. Nung there were times na nag-iisa lang ako sa hospital, na-realize ko na yung mga taong I used to hang out with, yung mga taong I used to talk to joke with, wala sila doon. And they're not the one getting my medicine. They're not the one sacrificing for me. They're not the one getting my blood and naglinya for hours and hours. And hindi sila nagpapakira para sa akin. And I-realize ko they have all the right to do it. They have all the rights to not care for me, and that's not a bad thing. They can wish me the best. They're probably curious and they probably miss me, but they can't be there and they can't care like the way we expect. The good thing is you can care for your own. You can care for yourself and you can be interested in your own. So do that. Care for yourself.